Namaste everyone. My name is Masud Alim Tiriyar of 10th B and this is a heartfelt gratitude towards my teachers and my school. Before the emergence of this pandemic, we all led lives the usual. But after the devastations and lockdowns this pandemic brought with it, we were confined to our houses. We were all away from our schools, workplaces, we were away from our relatives, our teachers and our friends. We all were terrified that how would we continue studying without any resources. This is when our school stood up and challenged this pandemic, starting our virtual classes. It is my very heartfelt gratitude towards my teachers who, without even thinking about their comforts, placed their students before them and their luxuries and taught us diligently with their heart and soul. Our teachers are working day and night, and what we are learning today won't have been possible if they weren't behind us. It can't be unjustified to call them Corona warriors, like our doctors, paramedics, nurses, policemen, and more, because they are imparting education to us in these difficult times, especially to us 10th graders. Our words would be an understatement because they are not enough to justify our teachers' compassion towards the students. I would like to thank the team of Rainbow International School and all the teachers who are working so hard for us. I feel really proud and a privileged person to be studying in this school. Lastly, I would like to say, just like many other hurdles we have crossed, this pandemic will also will be washed away, and India will emerge victorious once more.
Good evening everyone. It's a small gesture to show my gratitude towards the team Rainbow International as they came up with the idea of virtual learning so that the studies of our kids won't get affected during this lockdown period. I am really very thankful to all teachers. The videos which are uploaded by the primary wing teachers is very well defined. My daughter, who's in class 1, really loves to watch those videos, as it's a fun learning for them to learn through laptop. It's a new technique, but they're enjoying a lot. My son, who is in class 10th, they are also enjoying the sessions, live sessions, which is done by the teachers. He is getting very benefited with those sessions. So at the last, I just want to say a big thank you to the Rainbow International School. They are taking care of our kids. A big thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, my name is Avika Tiriyar from 1C. I just want to say big thank you to all my teachers for sending nice videos. It's a fun learning. I love to watch those videos. Keep sending. Stay home, stay safe.